Hey, ThemeForest. I decided to record a very quick video just to point out or maybe display a few key features or key elements that some of you buyers might be interested in. Sorry. Um, of course, you can see the exact same thing on the live demonstration on ThemeForest, but I thought that it could help if I just, as I mentioned earlier, point out a few things. Basically, you get to the home page, you have a ton of options, you have a few elements such as the navigation menu right here, the search box, this introductory text which is optional, you have the custom Minima slider which is an HTML5 slider. You can of course replace that with the Nevo slider or quick slider. Then you have these two columns which are also optional or can be replaced by anything you like. The main idea is that you display your last project. The user can then click it and view it on a larger scale with pretty photo. You can directly go to the actual post or project. You can then of course maybe follow the user or the brand or company that is using this template, and so on and so on. And then you have of course a testimonial area and a footer area. Now this isn't something I want to show you. I mean, it's something you can or should browse through and experience yourself. For example, here you have the clients page, which uses the gray to color effect, which is a custom effect made for Minima. You have a few, just a thing to note about the portfolio. It comes packed with 4 templates. You have the 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, and full width templates, and then you have some extra templates, which are the category template, which you may want to use if you, for example, wish to take your visitors first to the category and from the category to your specific projects. It's maybe a way you would like to take. And then you also have the project page, which is ideal for displaying a full project with all of its details, all of the meta information such as client type and so on, and of course start a sort of navigational system with going back, as you see right there, or for example navigating through the next and the next project, and so on. Of course, within the images upon the images, you can then load them again on a larger scale with pretty photo again. And so that's a great thing about the portfolio. Then within the about pages or about category, you have some shortcodes which of course can be or will be more useful once the WordPress version is out, but it gives you an idea of how everything will look like. You have the sliders page, which presents you all of the sliders available on this theme. Of course, you can use your own sliders and or maybe remove any slider, but the point is that it comes packed with these built-in sliders so that there's no need for you to custom code anything. It's already done there. You have this quick slider and Nevo slider. And then basically the blog, it's all self-explanatory. I mean, it's all about style and minimalism and to the point, trying to get the user where he wants to go without any extra links or extra images or extra things. It's just, do you want to go there? Just press the link and you will go there. Simple as that. And then something I wanted to point out or show you in the contact page. It's an option that may be ignored as it's a bit hidden. You see that whenever you hover over these links which represent your offices or your locations, this subtle sort of point or indication or position icon appears on your right, and this is a symbol for the Google Maps placing icon. And the thing is that once you click it, the iframe containing your location map is refreshed with the corresponding location. So let's say your user is wanting to know where your offices are on, for example, New York. So let me show you. He clicks this link right there and the iframe loads up with your new location. So that's a great feature. And of course, another alternative is that the user clicks one of these images and it opens up a larger scale with the Google Maps images. But since it's an image, it's not dynamic, it's just an image. So this can be used for the user to, let's say, Tokyo, and he can then use the actual Google Maps iframe. So that's a great thing. And anyhow, just to have a look at the Backstage, so to say, you get this zip file containing the HTML folder that has all the HTML files, the assets. This contains the JavaScript files, the CSS files, and all sorts of things. And of course, all the HTML files, you see we have sliders, shortcodes, all of our portfolio pages, all of the index possible styles, which contains the quick slider or the Nevo slider, our frequently asked questions template, contact, and so on. And then you have this help guide, which just let me show you. Contains an extended documentation with videos and easy to use. For example, this was an update, so it's marked with a subtle red so that you can easily find something new that has been added on the update. And then of course, with thanks to the index, you can easily find something. Maybe you want to check out the portfolio templates, so it takes you there. You can view the video online, or you can just hit play and it will show you the video. And of course, it also has a quick sum up or overview or summary of what is being talked about on the video, and that can help you just find something instead of watching all of the videos. Maybe you just want to see something about, you know, a certain option you saw in the live demonstration, so you use your search feature, for example, on Firefox or on Chrome, as you see here, and you type whatever you're looking for. So that's how you could be finding something. And of course, the files themselves, all of them are commented out, all of them have well, this is also please read this before anything. It just guides you or makes you indicates a few first steps. So let me show you that. You see, first and foremost, I thank you for buying it, and then without further ado, I just tell you one of the basic things, what you should do from there on, and so on. And well, just so you know, the video documentation takes you from extracting, just what I did right now, but of course with step-by-step instructions, takes you from there up to customizing absolutely every element on the HTML template. And so that's something very useful for novice users, and even as well as advanced users. There may be something that isn't just not very clear, so the video guides will clarify that. And so I just hope the demo, the live demonstration, and this video caught your interest, caught your attention. And of course, if you once you've purchased this file, if you have any doubts, any concerns, feedback, suggestions, anything, just let me know, and I'll glad to help, or I'll be glad to take your suggestions into consideration and maybe apply them on an upcoming update. So I'll see you there. See ya.